Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a little hack that some machines have on their plates. You can see these little lines right here at different increments on the measurements. And if you don't know already, each of these lines is 1/8 of an inch. So right here where my feed dogs end, that's going to be 1/4 of an inch from the middle where my needle goes in to pick up the thread from the bottom. And just so you can see, there we go. So on some machines, the needle rests more towards the left, so it might be a little off, but this way you can also gauge to see if your alignment is right for your seam allowance. So we're going to do the scrap piece of fabric. I'm going to do the 3/8 of an inch. I'm going to go all the way to the end of my fabric to this line. Okay. When you get towards the end, you can hand crank it, or you can just do what I did and magically stop. And then when your needle is down in the fabric, this is when I like to turn the fabric. It won't lose any of your stitches. You turn it, and you can see the edge of your fabric has now matched up with that 3/8 of an inch. Now you've got a perfect 90-degree stitch. And I'm going to just do a few more stitches so I can show you what that will look like. Okay, there you go, a perfect boxed corner 90-degree stitch. Hope that helps you, and if you have any other things that you would like to learn, go ahead and comment below, and I will try to do more beginner videos to help all you beginners out, and hope to see you again.